Welcome, and let's talk about Shibadoge token. Now, the price of Shibadoge have started increasing in price within the past few hours. Remember, Shibadoge token actually dropped in price, but since BTC started increasing in price, Shibadoge have also started increasing in price. BTC that have been trading below $16,000 in the past 6 weeks have finally crossed $17,000 mark, and it's a good one for crypto industry because we remember that Bitcoin is the driver, every other coins are the passengers. Now, wherever BTC is heading to, that is when every other coin will be heading to. Now, I'm happy to see Shibadoge started increasing in price, and Shibadoge definitely before the end of 2025, I believe holders of Shibadoge will definitely make some reasonable profit with Shibadoge. Well, so many people believe that Shibadoge is the next Shiba Inu. To me, Shibadoge is currently trading with about 16 zeros. That simply means if Shibadoge can delete between 2 to 5 zeros, you might become a millionaire with Shibadoge. Oh yes, Shibadoge token, to me, I think this coin, they still need a lot of work to be done. The developers need to bond, they need to work, they need to at least get Shibadoge to be listed by top crypto exchanges like Binance, like Kucoin, like Get.io, like Bitkex, like XT.com, like Lbank, like Crypto.com. Well, the good news is even Shibadoge development, according to their roadmap stage 3, they're actually planning that Shibadoge will soon get listed by Crypto.com, by Lbank, and also by Get.io. Wow, that's a very good one for Shibadoge token, because I believe Shibadoge definitely before the end of 2025 we will be seeing something positive. When Shibadoge will pump, Shibadoge will tell you some zeros, and by the time this happens, holders will be smiling to the bank. Well, good one for Shibadoge token. They finally started increasing in price, and I hope to see this continue before the end of this year, because definitely if Shibadoge can increase in price and the market cap of Shibadoge can hit back at $15 million, then I believe next year 2023 is going to be a bullish year. It's going to be a better year for Shibadoge token. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. And in case you want to invest on Shibadoge or any other crypto coins we mentioned on our channel, please kindly know that you need to invest what you can afford to lose, because this is crypto industry where anything can happen. So please kindly invest what you can afford. Once again, thank you for stopping by.